Alright guys, you're welcome back, and now we're going to be looking at move, copy and insert. So we're still on the workbook layout. Now let's just take a look at some things. Now there are times where you want to copy data, you want to take your data from this point to another location, like another point somewhere in the worksheet. Now the regular thing to do is, if you're trying to create a copy, you do a Ctrl+C, right, which is a copy. Then you come down and do a Ctrl+V, which is a paste. If you have to cut it entirely to move the entire data away from this location to another, you do a Ctrl+X, right? Then you come down and you do a Ctrl+V, whatever it is you want to put your data. However, I want to show you another approach to this. It's a very simple and quick approach. Alright, what you could do another way, if you're to move this entire data from this location to another location, is having selected the range of data which you want to work with. Having selected them, you want to move this entire data. So all you need to do is come to any of the edge, right? Any of the edge of your data, of the selected data, then click on it, right? Then drag it down. Then you release your mouse. You see now I've successfully moved data from here to here. Let me just do a Ctrl+Z to go back. Now, how about if you want to copy this data, you want to create a copy of this data somewhere else down? So I'll basically just haven't selected still. Now this time around, by the time you click and drag, now you hold down your Control key. Now observe that the moment you hold down your Control key, you'll see the plus sign somewhere just by your cursor, right? You can see the plus sign telling you that's a copy. So you ensure you're holding down your control while you click and drag. Then you release the mouse, right? And you can release the control. See, now you have successfully created a copy of that data, right? That's another way to go about it. Now another also very simple way to go is to do a right click and drag. Now what we did earlier was a left click, then you hold down your control, you drag and let go your mouse. But this time around we're going to do a right click. Just do a right click, alright, then drag, right click, then drag. Alright, so when you get to the point where you want to copy or paste or move, you just release the right click, then you see these options for you to work with. I just want to create a copy, so I'll say copy here. See now, so I've successfully created a copy. I think this is faster. Yeah, I think it is. So that's how we actually move copy. Right, so let's look at another instance. Now let's say, for example, we have this range of data. We want to bring expenses to come in between sales and profit. How do we do this? Now, having selected the range of data, now what you could do is, still on any of the edges, click, then hold down your shift key. This time around, shift key, hold down your shift key, then you drag up to the point where you want that range of data to be located. So I want it to be in between sales change and profit change. So I release my mouse, so therefore you can see now I've successfully moved that data to that point. So the same thing also applies to column. We did for row there. You might decide, oh, I want to move this row, or this column rather, to another location. So having selected, you can pick up any edge, right? Hold down your shift key, then you drag. See now, we've just successfully done that. You can do for more than one column at the same time. Select them, okay? Click on any of the edge. Can be the top edge as well. Anywhere, just look at or ensure your cursor changes to that arrow, right? Click on it, hold down your shift, then you can now drag so wherever it is you want to put them. So I've successfully been able to move and insert, right? And we did copy earlier. We dragged and created a copy. We dragged and moved. So that's basically how we do that move, copy, insert thing. And sure, you can apply this in various instances.